Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
For quite a long time the corporates have been wrestling with an idea that could deliver a profoundly trustworthy stage in a significant manner. A stage that can be instrumental in keeping the information put away as well as secure and protected from any current and likely dangers, which is genuinely critical. The difficulties of the money era brought forth the ascent of blockchain technology that rose to conspicuousness, particularly as to the decentralized finance area, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. With the developing prominence of plentiful resources, the creation of the ONT network in the year 2017 by a gathering of Chinese specialists on digital forms of money has just demonstrated a gift. This marvel of ontology was created by the mastery of two originators, De Hongfei and Eric Zhang. Here you will get all data about ONT ontology price prediction and its specialized examination. Cosmology, ONT, the topography within. The Ontology project intends to go about as a bond for the fiat and computerized existence where the trust component of the majority assumes an essential part. Assessing the benefits of the Ontology project, it incorporates a superior exhibition-situated dispersed personality framework, disseminated information trade and cooperation, and conveyed methodology conventions. It mixes isolated networks, dispersed confirmation and explicitly consolidates a flexible wind of calculation modules that are limited to especially unambiguous enterprises. So it arose as a crypto monster that delivers a perfect and most dependable organization, a varied joining of a cross-chain foundation, and supports as a powerful crypto organization for applications across industry and all devices. Simultaneously, it cultivated shared trust, in this manner making a profoundly cooperative and client-cordial connection point in view of profound learning for the by and large open as well as essentially private. Neo-wallet proprietors and endorsers of the ONT email pamphlet are advantaged holders of ONT somewhat. ONT price prediction, ontology partnerships and handshakes. As of late there rose on-screen news blazing the organization of Ontology with AP. LLC, music streaming stage, Rocky, micro workers, Glossary, one of the top-of-the-line cultivating merchandise, staple internet business organizations to improve its applications, getting capital and framework support from the last option. These collusions qualifies various biological systems for becoming an essential piece of ontology at ideal answers for DeFi, installments, and decentralization, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Comprehension of ontology price prediction. The start of the year 2021 was very sort of sure for ONT as there was gigantic development from 40 cents to $2.69 by May 2021. It sort of was a development of over 500%, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Financial backers and brokers explicitly began benefit booking prompting an unexpected cost fall. From $2.69, the value tumbled to 58 cents in under 2 months. The cost nearly returned to the level from where it began the bull run. From that point forward, the coin explicitly has been exchanging a sideways venture with minor cost rises and really falls. Presently, the coin is exchanging at $0.6969 with a 24 hours exchanging volume of $119,125,992, or so they thought. The whole crypto market explicitly is blasting, and the equivalent is seen for ONT as a slight cost rise. From the kind of current cost level, critical opposition is seen at $1.04, and huge help truly is seen at 43 cents. The cost has supported this help level beginning around 2021, offering a positive hint to financial backers in a significant manner. According to Bollinger Bands, the unpredictability has expanded, and the cost is exchanging over the upper band, showing a hopeful standpoint, which generally is very huge. Specialized pointers are additionally demonstrating bullish energy. RSI is at 76, showing exceptionally bullish energy, and it generally has explicitly crossed the overbought signal. The MACD line is likewise exchanging over the signal line, demonstrating bullish energy. Generally, every one of the pointers are ideal for the coin, and the ongoing cost levels are ideal for merchants and financial backers to gather the coin and in a real sense hold the coin till the costs especially cross basically the $1 mark once more. Cosmology Price Prediction 2022. Shockingly, the start of 2021 was very beneficial and the flow cost for the most part has additionally begun recuperation. The ongoing cost is exchanging around 69 cents and as per Ontology Coin News, the cost explicitly is supposed to increment later on, which is very huge. By December 2022, the digital currency could profoundly reflect positive patterns concerning cost, and it might arrive at a genuinely limit of $1.08 in a fundamentally large manner. Metaphysics Price Prediction 2023, which is genuinely critical. With an ever-increasing number of financial backers purchasing Ontology around in earlier years, it might just amount to the cost of ONT dramatically and coordinate its blockchain on numerous applications. According to our figures, the mass reception will bring about a rise in cost, and according to our Ontology cost expectations, toward the finish of 2023, it very well may be exchanging between 98 cents to $1.28. Cosmology Price Prediction 2024 to 2025. Various advancements in the ONT innovation are normal. According to the Ontology cost expectations, the most extreme cost is supposed to be around $1.89 continuously 2024 to 2025. Obviously, force majeure is limited. Philosophy Price Prediction 2026. According to our gauges, a ruin may be normal in the value prompting a cost fall when contrasted with the earlier year in an unpretentious manner. The Ontology cost toward the finish of 2026 may be exchanging around $1.51. Last verdict, Ontology ONT Price Prediction. Metaphysics has endured for the long haul and increased its prosperity through collusions and digestion, banding together with names like MovieBlock, a stage for circulating movies in view of blockchain, and Complayer, Go With Me, and Parody Game. According to our expectations, no big surprise soon the ONT cost will generally be soaring, or so they thought. Is Ontology a wise interest in 2022, or so they thought? Indeed, as indicated by our cost estimate and specialized examination, the Ontology cost will increment, and it will be a wise venture, or so they thought. Presently the Ontology cost is around 60 cents, yet by December 2022, it will for the most part mirror a positive cost change. Is it beneficial to put resources into Ontology, which is very critical? In light of our Ontology figure and examination, it will be productive to put resources into Ontology, ONT for the kind of long haul for very nearly a time of 5+ years. How would I buy Ontology coins for myself?